Tim, I don't know if you can see it, but got the LSG. We're getting ready to get fired up. We are gonna do some pulled chicken today. So I have about 50 pounds of chicken breasts that we are going to smoke till they get completely done. And I'm gonna show you my trick to shredding up the chicken so we can make some pulled chicken. Guys, I don't know if you know or not, but our kids are in the local marching band for the high school, and I tend to do a lot of cooking for them during the year in the summer. Right now they're going through their little band camp, hell week stuff, so I've done a few meals for them. I'm doing a bunch of pulled chicken sandwiches for them. So I thought I'd take you along. Guys, it's really simple to do. We're gonna fire up the LSG. Of course, we got the smoky pecan pellets going in there. All natural, 100% pecan shells, or pecan, whatever, you know, shells, burn cleaner, burn longer, better than any pressed wood out there. Now, listen, wood pellets have their place. I'm cool with them, but I really dig these smoky pecan pellets. And you can dig them too by clicking my link down below. It'll save you 10% if you want to grab some. So let's get these bad boys on. What I did with these, which I didn't feel like I needed to film because it's pretty easy. I got them in a bunch of bags, gallon baggies. They were defrosted. Got them in gallon baggies. Season them up, and they've been sitting in the fridge overnight. So they got that good Uncle Steve shake. It's the competition bird shake, and I'll throw a link down below if you want to grab some of that too. It's just been sitting in the fridge all night, just getting that good flavor absorbed in there. Listen, chicken breasts, not very exciting, so you want to add as much flavor as possible. We're gonna get on the smoker, 275 until it's completely done. Once they're done, we're gonna shred them up, add some of Uncle Steve's sauce with no name barbecue sauce, and then get it packaged up and get it ready for the kids. So pretty simple, pretty easy. Do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, all that good jazz. Whew, I'm out of breath. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, y'all, let's get this bad boy turned on. We remember to plug it in this time. Hit start, push that button to ignite. It starts default at 225. We're gonna take it to 275 like I said. All right, push that back in there and get it going. We got both grates in there because we're gonna need all the area we can get for all those chicken breasts. But let's get this smoke rolling and then we'll get the chicken breasts on. Got that nice thin smoke going, let's go. All right, y'all, let's get these chicken breasts on. Now, I'm not gonna show you every step or every chicken breast going on, but you can see they're well seasoned, ready to go. Let's get these things lined up. Try to get that drippings off. Guys, we're using our Tim Spike Pro. We got 4 probes. We put them in the thickest breasts in there so we can keep track. We'll use that Tim Spike app. Get this shut down, clean up the outside. Yeah. And we'll just wait until they're done. Guys, chicken breasts are on. Nothing more exciting than that. Just let them get some smoke. You can hear the LSG working hard back there, getting them pellets going. Guys, we got the Tim Spike Pro in there. It's 4 probes. Use that app, easy as can be. We just want to make sure we get these. We're gonna take them about 165, if not a little bit more. Some of the breasts are a little bit thinner than the others, so those might get cooked a little bit more. But when it's all said and done, we're gonna shred the hell out of these anyway. So it's not like we're looking for the perfect slice through of a juicy breast, right? No, we're gonna shred these up, and we're making shredded pulled chicken. So guys, wait for a second, we'll be done. All right, come on back. About 45 minutes in or so, almost up to temp. We'll get these off and start shredding them. All right, y'all, we're back in the house. I'm gonna show you my super secret way of shredding up chicken. All right, super secret, don't tell anybody. Especially don't tell Mrs. CJ that I got her hand mixer right here. The bitchy baker can get really bitchy when she sees me using this for chicken. All right, we have chicken off the smoker over there. We got them in a bowl, like 3 or 4 breasts at a time. We're just gonna go to town. Now I happen to have a towel that we're gonna put over and around it. Just happens to be a towel Mrs. CJ made for me. God bless the cricket. Anyway, so we're gonna put this over the top. right? Make sure all the chicken chunks don't go flying everywhere. I'm not gonna take you through every bit of 40, 50 pounds of chicken breast, but we'll do this first little bowl right here. All right, come on down. All right, get ready with that towel. Cover it up as best as possible. All right, let me get some branding in here. Whoa. We'll just kind of smush the mixer and beaters in there. All right, and start off slow and try not to ruin the drapes. You kind of see in here that it's shredding it up real nice. Just keep at it. Right, cover it up, increase that speed. All right, y'all. You can see there's some bigger chunks in there, but for the most part, we're shredded up. We're gonna add a little of that barbecue sauce in there. All right. Get a little bit more of that competition bird shake in there. Grab yourself a spoon and mix it on up. Now again, it's tough to be excited about, you know, chicken breast, but I'll tell you what, you throw a scoop of that on some couple buns, you're good to go. And the kids are gonna be eating good. All right, let me finish all this up and then we'll talk about it. All right, team, we're all done. All right, went through all them pounds of shredded chicken breast. But we'll go ahead and take a bite since we're doing the video. A little quality control. Guys, barbecue chicken breast. Wow. It's tasty, but you know, how excited are you gonna get over chicken breast? So much flavor in there. I mean, the chicken breast is a great, you know, vessel, I guess, for all that good barbecue rub, that good barbecue sauce. All right. Links down below if you want to get some of Uncle Steve's competition bird shake and the sauce with no name. All right, check it out. There's a link down below for Lone Star Grillz if you want to grab one of the pellet grills. I'm telling you what, hands down the best pellet grill, best smoker I've ever had. All right, and that goes with all my offsets, everything I've ever had. That one, that LSG out there is just head and shoulders above everybody else's. It's, guys, this is a workhorse. All right, check it out. Is it pricey? Yes, but this is one that's gonna last you a lifetime. Handmade in Texas, you're gonna love it. All right. Okay, for knives, cutting boards, merch, the thermometers, that Temp Spike Pro. Don't sleep on that, guys. When you're doing a big old cook like this, having those extra thermometers and being able to track it on that app, dude, it's priceless. All right, so check it out. If you'd like to become a show producer, like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that, you know, would love a big old spoonful of this smoked chicken. All right, this pulled chicken, Uncle Steve's chicken. All right, they would love it. There are two ways to join up. Either you hit that Patreon link in my video description, or you hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.